Hello everyone, I am Ashwin Akash from AI-based department. Today we are going to see about simulation of push button and LED interface with ARM controller and Protoss. Now, first we need to create an STM32F401 RBTX board. Next in that, in PA5 pin, we need to put as GPIO input, and next GPIO in pin number 13 we need to put GPIO output. Later we need to move to an main.c file, where in main.c, after we need to debug those and we need to move to main.c file. In main.c file, where we need to create a function push button, then boolean function data button status. In button status, where the pin number in a pin GPIO pin number 5 will read the pin. If the button status is 0, where GPIO pin 13 will blink the LED, otherwise it will lead to a delay with 500. Otherwise the LED will be not blink. That's all this code. Now we are going to see about the Protoss function. In Protoss function, where in this P value we need to type STM, then we need to select STM401RB. Later again we need to go P and we need to select button. Then later we need to select the LED files. After that we need to take a ground from sub-circuit nodes and we need to take two grounds. Later connect this PA5 with the button and connect the button another side with the ground. Then in PA13, in PC13, where it will read the toggle input, it should be connected to an LED. Then where the LED should be connected to the ground. Then we need to import the exa file from the given experiment. Then later run the simulation. Now if we push the button where the light has been blinked. That's all this experiment. Thank you.